Hi, today for the TOSCIDO P101 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch the Gmail application and tap here on the right upper corner. Click to manage accounts on this device because we should first log out from Google account on our device, and after that we'll just automatically log out from Gmail application. For example, just select your account and tap here remove account button, confirm your action. Now we'll just successfully log out from any accounts on our device. So let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully log out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.